Understanding your target audience. Gaining insights into their demographics, interests, and behaviors will help you create authentic and engaging content that resonates with them. Choosing the right social media platforms. Not all social media platforms are created equal, and selecting the right ones for your business is crucial. Your target demographics play a key role in determining which platforms will be most effective for your social media efforts. Craft content that resonates with your audience. Consider incorporating different content types, such as videos, helpful tips, and how-to articles. Experiment with different posting schedules and monitor the performance of each post to find the optimal time of engagement. Leveraging social media tools and features. Social media tools and features can be game changers in boosting your social media performance. Enhancing customer service on social media. In today's fast-paced digital world, customer service on social media is more important than ever. Responding quickly to customer inquiries and providing efficient support can make a significant difference in customer satisfaction. Staying ahead of the competition. To outshine your competition, it's crucial to analyze their social media strategies and stay up to date with the latest trends and technologies. Adapting to new trends and technologies. Keep up with industry news, attend relevant conferences and events, and follow influencers and experts in your niche. Measuring success and ROI. Tracking your social media performance and measuring your return on investment, ROI, is crucial in evaluating the success of your campaigns. By implementing these tips and tricks, you can elevate your social media presence and outshine your competitors in 2023 and beyond.